So it's raining here in San Diego, and Snowy just had his first taste of the second wave of rain. First one only happened for 5 to 10 minutes, and we went outside as the second one was starting to pick up. I really wanted to get Snowy outside before the second wave so he can go to the bathroom, but that didn't happen. Oh, you are so cute. I was going to give you a bath, but now I don't have to. Say hi to Patrick and everybody else who's going to see this video. Look how cute and fluffy you are. Oh, that's why we have to towel. So the couch doesn't get dirty with Snowy feet. I'm gonna have to fix it soon. Oh, what did you do? Oh. Oh. Now he's on his other... Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, let's get this bed. This pillow. Are you excited about the rain too? Yeah. I could do that if I was 20 years younger. I will live vicariously through you, Snowy. You want a treat? I did make you go outside in the rain. But it looks like you were excited about it. Okay, let's get a treat.